everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel for those of you guys who are new. My name is XCultureSims, and today we are going to be unboxing the special edition Animal Crossing Nintendo Switch. So if you guys have been following me on my channel for quite some time, you will know that I had been in search of a Switch for quite some time actually. I've been wanting one since January, and I finally got my hands on one about 2 months ago, and it was the red and blue one, as you guys can see in the background. And I was happy. I got to play Animal Crossing. I decorated it up to look like an Animal Crossing Switch, but it just was not the same. It really wasn't. So recently my Walmart had actually put out quite a few of these in the display case, and I was like, I don't need it. I don't need it. You just want it. It's the same thing. It just looks different. Yeah. I broke down and bought it. So I am going to be unboxing my Switch for you guys. I did get a couple of accessories, which I may do like a haul video soon. I'm not really sure. If you guys want to see what I got with my Switch, definitely let me know. But I did buy this one. It was still the same price, $2.99, because I refuse to pay more for a Switch than what it's worth. So I paid $2.99 for it, and honestly, I'm very excited. I love the colors. These are two of my favorite colors. I love turquoise and I love green, like a lighter green, like a minty green. So these fit for me perfectly. And then of course, I absolutely love the Switch itself, because if you guys aren't aware, only this Switch has the limited edition Animal Crossing pattern on the back, which is so amazing. So this is what that looks like. Oh my god, she's so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, I love it so much. So yeah, guys, I was super excited. Oh my god, look how smudgy it is already. I was super excited to get this, and I did do an unboxing of my other Switch, so if you guys would like to see that, I will leave it linked down below for you guys. In all, I am very happy with my purchase, and before you guys go and say anything, yes, I did purchase this with my own money. I purchased them both with my own money, and it took me since January to finally get my hands on them, so it was definitely a struggle, but it was worth the wait. I ended up giving my mom and my stepdad my other Nintendo Switch, so like these brand new cords right here, the HDMI and the power cord, I just gave those two cords to my mom with the other Switch, since I already had my dock already hooked up. All I did was just take the other dock off of the cords and put this dock on there. And then we have some pamphlets and instructions, because nobody reads those. Am I right? Am I right? And then we just have the little controller dock. I kind of wish this one was Animal Crossing as well. That was kind of disappointing to me, but I am getting a Pro controller in a couple of days, and by the time you are watching this, I will have already had one most likely, because I am voiceovering this a few days after. It did take me a little bit to switch my island over from my other Animal Crossing Switch that I have, or not even Animal Crossing, this is not, the other Switch that I have to this one right here. So I'm kind of just getting it settled and everything, but I really love these two little Joy-Con covers. I don't know what these are called, honestly. If you guys know what those are called, let me know. But I love how they are also cream, and they have the matching color Joy-Con sticks for like to tell you which one it goes on. Like, that is super cool to me. I absolutely love this, and I'm very happy with my purchase. I do apologize if you guys can hear the pigs in the background. They're having floor time, and of course they're not going to be quiet for me to do this voiceover. So this is the dock, and this is probably one of my favorite things ever. Don't get me wrong, I love the color of the Joy-Cons, but this dock is so pretty. I really love how they went with the cream white, and they put the simplistic Animal Crossing New Horizons on the front. You just have Tom Nook, Timmy, and Tommy. I call them the Nooklings, but I don't know if that's officially what they're called. Probably not. And then you just have the Nintendo logo on the back, and on the top you can see fingerprints, but that is okay, because who really touches their dock, let's be honest. So that is pretty much what comes in the box itself, and we're just going to close this up and then push it on off to the side, and we're going to get right on into the setup process. Oh god, that took me so long. My internet's very bad, so it took me about 6 hours to download Animal Crossing. Yeah, it's pretty bad. So I'm going to go ahead and put the Joy-Cons on the Switch, and I should have put the screen protector on, but it was okay. It was okay. Like, I cleaned the screen after and put it on, and it came out fine. I do have another tempered glass screen protector on the Switch, just like on my other one in the background. And I did end up putting the same buttons that I have on that Switch onto my new one to make it look more Animal Crossing-like. So starting her up for the first time, oh, she is gorgeous. So I'm going to go ahead and set all of my information and my Wi-Fi. And this is what it looks like, guys. So side by side, my mom and dad were actually really funny because when I brought my Switch over to the house, they told me, "Why did you get a special edition Animal Crossing Switch, but this Switch looks more Animal Crossing than the other one?" And I was like, well, because I put a skin on it, but I know that this one is an official Animal Crossing Switch, so that made me happy. And they just kind of looked at me weird and was like, okay, so you have a shopping problem. And I was like, I know, it's a problem, but it's good. Look at the back of that, like, it's good. So I totally got scared. I thought I lost my game. So, yeah, apparently I just turned the page on it. But this is what it looks like with the hard skin, or the hard case on, and then my little buttons. And I'm super excited. Like, I really love how it came out. Me and my boyfriend just went and picked up his Animal Crossing Switch today, and we got a whole bunch of games. He is also now playing Animal Crossing. Super addicting. So I hope that you guys enjoy the video. If you did, make sure and give it a big fat thumbs up. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe because I have a giveaway planned at 15K subscribers. And if you guys want to follow me on social media, you can go and follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at XCultureSimsX. And I also have a fan page, Culture Sims, so definitely go and check those out. You can post any kind of builds, pictures of your houses, Sims, whatnot. I'd love to see it all. And if you guys like Animal Crossing, definitely let me know what your friend code is down in the comments and I can add you. If you play Pocket Camp, I play that as well. So yeah, we can definitely become friends on those. But I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.